Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in. Today, I'll be discussing a project with you that I've been personally following for the past 4 to 5 months. I believe in it, and I'm bringing it to you because I do think this is a must keep on radar project because it has potential for the remainder of this cycle and also for the years to come. Okay. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is in no way, shape, or form recommendation on investment. This is strictly for educational purposes. All right, let's get into it. Now, Hathor Network is the project I'm picking today. Okay, number one, I like it because it's different to the projects that have been in existence since 2017 bull cycle, in particular IOTA. Now, IOTA has been very successful when it comes to scalability, but their finishing touch on the project is not yet quite there. Okay, now we all know about the gas fees when buying tokens on Ethernet, mainnet, on Uniswap, and we all know about the scalability issues that Ethereum had and how insecure some transactions can be. Right now, Hathor has a possibility with the tech and with their idea to solve all these three issues. Okay, now if you take a closer look, right, key features on Hathor: no fees. You don't have to pay anything when sending or receiving tokens. Okay, they will have their own built-in atomic swap DEX. The different tokens can be reliably exchanged on the same transaction. Nano contracts, an easier and safer implementation of smart contracts which connects the real-world data using the oracles. Okay, so Chainlink, Dia, Band Protocol, Oracle, Teller, all these oracles, they will be utilized by this network. All right. Now, anyone can build their own token in a couple of minutes using this network. Okay, so that's another feature that many of these people, the other projects, they lack. Now, we'll do a little bit of deep dive into the summary. So, what is Hathor Network? Hathor is a digital platform for financial transactions and contracts with a unique combination of high scalability and high decentralization. It creates the perfect environment for multiple use cases where scale, efficiency, long-term security, and censorship resistance through network distribution combined are needed or can drastically cut current costs and bureaucracy. Okay. Now, why is it different? Source code created from scratch in Python by a team of highly skilled developers, some of them who have been researching cryptocurrency since 2011. Okay, so that's pretty early on. I mean, considering the fact that Bitcoin was only launched in 2009 and first real-world transaction on Bitcoin happened in 2010. So if these people have been researching cryptocurrency since 2011, that's still pretty damn early on. Okay, so that's something to consider when researching on this project. A novel distributed ledger architecture using both DAG and blockchain data structures intertwined. Highly scalable with no central coordinator or any single point of failure. Okay, this is something that I really like. Feeless and quick transactions. Proof of work, mining rewards economically incentivizes the network forever with a perpetual and low emission of native HDR tokens. Merged mining with Bitcoin and Litecoin, as I mentioned before. Custom tokens. Create your own digital token with customized specifications on Hathor Network with only a few clicks. Nano contracts. A more secure and straight to the point vision for embedded smart contracting capabilities, guys. I do think the tech on this, the directed acyclic graph and blockchain technologies combined, I think this can have a real potential, okay? Because a highly scalable distributed ledger where transactions can be processed for multiple purposes with no fees will be created through its own network, and decentralization of 99% in uptime. Guys, I think this is a potential winner. Okay, so do some research, talk to some devs, definitely, and get to understand the tech, because I really like it. Now, soon I will deep dive into the technical analysis, but I do want to take a look at the token metrics fairly quickly. Okay, now total supply 900 million, out of which only 224 million are in circulation, so that's pretty good. 15 million in volume, that's good. And in Telegram there is 14,000 members in Telegram. Okay, so 14,000 members, 15 million in volume, and that's pretty good ratio, and it's up 54%, 0.73% today on volume. So I mean, it's not too bad. Now the market cap is 407 million. No fully diluted market cap yet. Now, the other day I made a video on TLM, and if I'm not wrong, TLM had a market cap of 200 million with a fully diluted market cap of 2 billion, right? Now there is no fully diluted market cap here. This is a blank check in my opinion. Okay, literally a blank check. I mean, you can go from 400 million to 4 billion. You can go, I don't know, to maybe about 6 billion, 8 billion. It has a potential to go anywhere it wants to, pretty much from here on out, and it's not even a third of the circulating supply at this very moment. Okay, so that's another plus for on this project. Now let's take a look at the technical analysis. Okay, why do I like it so much? As you guys know, I'm to dive into the TA for quite some time, you know, because it's one of the best things to do when actually researching a project. Now, this is a beautiful pricing structure. Okay, beautiful pricing structure. This is a nice little range, a little accumulation range. That's where the demand line is, and as we can see from its previous all-time high, which is here, it has come back down to the demand line, accumulated since the drop in May up until November. Okay, now it's broken out and it's currently flagging. It is currently flagging, and this bull flag can actually break out to the first target of $2.93. Okay, now once this breaks a key level of 1.92, it can break out fairly quickly. Okay, that's the key level because that's its previous all-time high right here, prior to the recent bull run we had in November. This one right here, this is the key level that I'm watching. Okay, this is a triple rejection. Now, if I use the fibs on this, the modest target is $5. Maximum target can be anywhere up from 7 plus. Okay, now as we mentioned before, no fully diluted market cap yet. Okay, this will take time to develop, so it can go to $7. Maybe it goes to more, but you know what, I would, even though this coin has a maximum of a 3 or to 4x potential on my chart right now, I would happily take it simply because it's a decent project. Okay, now TA does look very good. Okay, and why does it look very good? Well, aside from the accumulation, you have a bottom with a higher low. Now this is a double bottom. This is a triple bottom, which it broke out of, the cup and handle. Okay, now it's flagging. Still inside the current pennant, but once it breaks this pattern right here, this bigger pattern, it's gone. Okay, now where would I look for the entries? Well, anything between 1.5 and $2 is the accumulation zone. But at this point, because the move is already made, I would not go in with the entire position. Okay, I would accumulate a little bit more, and just like 30% of my first entry. Then maybe if it comes down to 120 to 130, then I would accumulate another 20% of the position size. Okay, not the entire capital, but the position size, depending on how much I would to invest into this project. And if it does not come down, well, I would wait for this to go up, break its all-time high, hit this key level target, and watch for this to come back down. Okay, remember, they always come back down. Why? Because they need to retest this level. All right, so do not FOMO, never FOMO. And I would purchase it right there upon the retest. It can be right here, it can be on this trend line, it depends. We'll have to watch it. I can't really say right now because the move is yet to be made, but that's what I would look for. And so I would set alerts at 1.6, 1.7. As you can see, I already have one here, 1.66. I would set an alert for 1.7 and $2. Two alerts on this chart right here. I would set whichever level it hits, I watch it, and then I make a move. All right, so thank you guys for coming in, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted on my next videos coming up. I'll do my best to bring you the decent projects that have potential, and stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.